It's been 2 months and counting since the 11 acres of refuse at the Perseverance landfill have been on fire. For days, officers of the fire department have been wetting the area, but efforts to totally extinguish the fire have failed. Assistant PRO at the Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority, Nikolai Boyk, says there are contributing factors that continue to fuel the fire.
The fire is continually fueled through a natural process, that is the degradation of the refuse and the organic material contained within the garbage. The degradation of that material produces heat and it produces methane gas along with a water fraction which we refer to as leachate. So the gas is constantly being produced and that is what is fueling the fire. The gas is coming from underneath the putrefying refuse. The issue with the foam is that it is more effective on flat surfaces, and its ability to work would depend on the surface and how deep it could penetrate within the refuse that are on the site.
Boyk says the GSWMA, working with the RGPF's fire department, have adopted new strategies they believe should bring the fire under control. One of those measures he spoke of is the construction of a road right around the perimeter of the landfill and the installation of pipes that will allow for easy access to any area of the landfill. This, he says, is a massive undertaking.
We started with the Grenada Fire Services. We are trying the fire suppressing foam. Our team is also using our own pumps and our pipe network in order to conduct wetting in tandem with the heavy equipment that would be uncovering areas where the fire is located and conducting that soaking in order to extinguish that fire. The final step would be the movement of soil materials that would allow for the covering of the landfill. We would have to identify a good source of that material because we would need to use clay material for that purpose. So as it stands, that gas is available to continuously fuel the fire. So the wetting and the use of the foam, and when we start using the soil, would be measures that would be able to control the fire based on preventing access to the oxygen which is required for the fire to continue, and also to allow that fire to be extinguished within time. And once we could wet to the inner reaches where that fire resides within the burning landfill.
Christina John, GBN News.